miles. A2 Mobile features a 5.7 14.48 cm display with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2160 pixels and runs on Android v8.0 Varia operating system. The device is powered by octa-core 2.2 GHz Cortex-A53 processor paired with 4 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3300 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 13MP camera. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got the Adreno 508 GPU. Onboard storage is at 64 GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 256 GB.